Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be making some breakfast freezer meals. I'll be making some bacon, egg, and cheese croissant in addition to some steak, egg, and cheese breakfast burritos. So come along, sit back, enjoy the project with me today. So first I start off by basically cooking all the ingredients that I'll be utilizing for my sandwiches. So I made the steak in the crock pot overnight so that it would be soft and tender for our burritos. The bacon I baked in the oven, and then I just scrambled some eggs on the stove top. So once I had all those ingredients prepared, I sliced some American cheese, and then I just went ahead and started creating my sandwiches. So the sandwiches were a bacon, egg, and cheese croissant. So I went ahead and sliced the croissant and then just added the bacon, egg, and cheese. And then for the burritos, I added steak, bacon, and cheese. For the burritos, those were made from the steak, egg, and cheese Once I roll those up, I place them in the foil paper, and then we just stored them in our Ziploc bags that were labeled and in the freezer. This ended up lasting my family about 2 months. We don't typically eat them every day, but like once a week. So I think we ended up with 7 croissants and 8 or 9 burritos. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with us today and watching this video. If you liked the video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel so you can see our future projects that we have coming up shortly. Thank you guys so much and have a good one.